Trev here, and today we're going to install this Icon 2.5-inch leveling kit on this 19 Ram 1500. This kit includes everything that you need to install it. It comes with the front coilovers for the lift. It comes with the upper control arms with the delta joints that allows for the optimum wheel travel for your off-road riding. Also comes with rear springs and the rear shocks to just give it a complete better ride than the factory suspension. And for those of you that are going to be taking it off-road or doing anything like that. So we'll go ahead and take this, we'll start the install and see how everything goes.